Edible gift ideas. I'm gonna show you 3 different ways, but there are more than 20 ways on the blog alphafoodie.com. First, we're gonna start by reindeer peanut butter cups. We're gonna start by adding melted chocolate, then peanut butter to that as well, melted chocolate again, and we're gonna decorate it like so. And this is our first edible gift ideas. We're gonna wrap it in a box and we're gonna gift it away. Next, we're gonna make energy bites. And these are delicious, natural and healthy. Some almonds, some dates, and you add your favorite flavorings, and we're gonna roll them like so. Then we're gonna coat them with our favorite superfoods: strawberry powder, strawberry chips, pistachio powder. Choices are endless. And then we're gonna take our energy balls and we're gonna add them to a little paper into a box, and that will be our second edible gift idea. Last, my favorite one is the granola. So you're gonna make your favorite version of granola. You can customize it as you like, and then we're gonna mix everything. We're gonna bake it in the oven, and we're gonna add it into our jar and give it away. If you want more Christmas gift ideas or any gift ideas, you can click in the link in the bio.